Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Thank you for joining. We're going to be talking about You Got It. Don't come on the road. Stay. I didn't get it. I'm not sure what I'm going to talk about. So yeah, let's get started. I can't see out far because it's foggy, so the rock is hard to see. Somebody sent me a picture of a stone and how to tell weather with it. As we approach ahead, I gotta watch out for this bump and all. Let's stop, take a look. The sun is coming up. Finally, it's gonna be a beautiful day. A super hot day. Something like a DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro would do. I raised my dB level to -2 dB from 5 dB from 8 dB on the negative side. Yes, they're waiting for someone. Yes, indeed. And it's going to be somebody doing what they're not supposed to be doing. Let's get this shot. A lovely shot. We're going to be touring. Nah, we're going to be showing and telling. As we get up a little higher, we get to our spot right over here. How does that look? Time for me to pull out the other camera, set it up, and get that shot. If I remember to put the Ace Pro 2 in the video. The Ace Pro 2, I got a shot. And I'm gonna get a couple of shots as I go along and mix up my vlog with the two cameras I use. Of the many I own. So let's get going, because the shot has moved on for me. Look, a board, a skateboard, a longboard, waiting for you. I need to clean my mirror. I can't see. Which camera do you like seeing with? All right, we're heading down to the boardwalk and we're near the entrance. Maybe we'll see a couple of cruise ships. Maybe I'll switch on over to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and give that a shot now. Oh man, you can't even see where the water starts. You can see where the sand starts. The sand cleaners doing their work, cleaning all the garbage. You can't see, I can see. Well, now I know that the product I bought, the side view mirror for the bicycle, it's not fog proof. It fogs up in humidity. Well, time to spit on it, get some Rain-X, or just clean it on up with a little bit of wax. It won't fog up now, because I'm riding blind behind me. But do you see what I see behind me? The low-hanging fog, mist, dew, rain, clouds, the sun rising, burning through, making it colorful. The lights are on today. They're shining bright on a bright day coming up. As more and more are lit up, it shows you what the place may look like at nighttime. I'd normally pull up over there, but I'm over here. Good shot for me to do a talk. Hand gesture starts the camera. Remote control starts the other. So this will all be the sounds of the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. It's a colorful shot, definitely indeed. I'm on a little bit of an angle, but I'm standing 8 feet from the camera. And do we have any exposure spikes of the camera? If I come forward some And if I go back some, that's the thing we have to know. So let's stop the camera and make another shot, a little shorter, so this way we could better understand. A minute, we have exposure spikes. 15 seconds, I don't think that's going to be a problem. Stop. I do the hand gesture. Maybe the right hand will work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So this is what we're doing. We're starting the camera remote control. 4K 30 horizon balance. Pro, shutter speed 1/100/8000, ISO minimum to maximum. The EV value on the negative 0.7 side. Auto white balance, texture -1, as well as video noise reduction 0. And I gave my settings. I'll go back and I'll inspect it and see what it looks like. So I'm getting ready to get on out of here and go on forward that way. But I want to do a side-by-side pan. So this way you get to see the artwork. And then you can say, hey, look, both cameras did just fine. When the lights go out in the city. Ah, man, that's a great song. You can't make those songs up anymore. We'll head on down there and capture the lights. Oh, I finally went down the right ramp. Man, I got my hands on the brakes because I don't want to ruin the shot. All my shots are handheld on the bike going. Sweet Dreams Funnel Cake Ice Cream Treat Specialty. Oh, man. Let's see what the lights look like. Get on going. The lights are lit. Yes, indeed. We'll head on down to Nathan's. We'll ride the yellow double line. As we get on going, let's get on moving. We used to be open 24/7. Come around the bend. Yeah, man, we're setting up. Yes, indeed. It's setting up for the 4th of July. You make yourself look pretty for the camera? I'm sure you did. Let's get going. Early in the morning and we're busy as can be. Well, it's not a nice scene to look at. I think I'm just gonna swing a Yui. And over here, there's the sun beaming in your eyes. Would it be great if I put both cameras up so you get to see? And my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has taken over the Bluetooth mic. So what we're gonna do is just use the Ace Pro 2 for the remainder of our video. And there we got both shots. You decide which one you like. I may drop the EV value down on the Ace Pro 2 now. My EV value was matched on the -0.7 side, but I switched over to vintage. That's the look I want to go for right now. Maybe vintage will work out. Maybe I should go through all the settings. Well, time for me to head on back. Get on back. Get on going. That is. I was able to see better at the start. Now it's not as good going back. But the wind is not kicking me. Maybe they have a different scene next season. This is Shark Party at the aquarium, man. Let's get on going. Get on going. You hear that noise? Well, underneath me is the filtration system for the aquarium. And you'll feel the heat, the moisture, and all. As they clean, they're cleaning. At least I don't hear the beeping. Beeping. We got progress. Did a nice job. Maybe another year. Oh, this will be gone. The lights are on and they're working. We got the pigeons and they're flying right overhead. Yeah, we'll turn around and get that shot. A nice slow pan. Well, we're leaving the beach behind and the fog behind. We got our lights on and heading on down. Yes, indeed. What a ride it was. Going back, it was smooth as butter. Going there, I had to pedal hard. Hey, we're back. The fog is lifted over here, away from the water. You got a nice sunny shot. How beautiful is that for a nice ending in a video that you get to see towards the end? Almost see blue in the sky. The camera sees blue. Do you? Does it get golden hour in the fog when you see the sun up like so? When it's like a radiant silver? I don't think so. Well, at least the sun popped out in the area that you saw. Some niceness. Well, I'm done vlogging for the day. I'm done sharing my stories. I gotta go meet up with Joe. And I gotta take care of some little notes. And I gotta get things going. How about you? Well, I am Fish. Been a pleasure. And we'll see you on the next video vlog. If it's a GoPro, Insta360, DJI, or any camera that I own and share and have my fun and story to you through the camera's eyes. Have a great day.